open appointments for today? No? Okay, thank you. What does a cell have to do to see a doctor around here? I know, I'll go to the BCA Med Kids. Sue and Jess, I feel really sick. Can you guys help me?
I don't know. Let's play a game of Operation to find out.
Great idea. Maybe we can get some extra time for Dr. Bosch.
What should we start with?
Let's start with cell wall.
Wait, what's the cell wall?
The cell wall is located outside the cell membrane, and it helps support me and keep my structure because of its rigidity.
Oh, so is that the cell wall?
That's the cell wall, and the cell wall is made mostly of a carbohydrate called cellulose.
Oh, isn't cellulose a polymer of glucose?
Yes, it is. The cellulose is made on the surface of the plasma membrane by enzymes that are guided by microtubules in the membrane to go over the membrane. The cellulose and other carbohydrates form a stiff box around the cell, giving the cell its shape.
Oh, so that's the cell wall.
Yep.
I don't know, I feel kind of clogged up. Do you think maybe it's something with my cell wall?
Maybe it is. Maybe the pores in the cell wall are clogged up so that enzymes and water molecules can't get through. Let's see. Oh look, the enzymes and water molecules couldn't get through. So that's why she's not feeling too well. Let's replace it with one that's not clogged up.
Oh, ew. Maybe that's why I felt all icky.
There, all better.
You know, I do feel a little better, but you know, I'm still not 100%. Do you think you can look if something else is wrong?
What's another major part of the plant cell?
The central vacuole. It makes up 90% of the cell.
Oh?
You don't know what the central vacuole is?
Well, I do. Of course I do. It's made up of other smaller vacuoles.
That actually is true.
Really? I mean, of course.
The central vacuole, it holds toxins and water and lots of ions, and it makes up 90% of the cell.
Should we take a look at her vacuole?
I think so. This vacuole has water in it, which gives it its shape and rigidity. Did you know that the vacuole is a large organelle that stores water and other enzymes?
The vacuole also stores the waste of the plant cell,
Right.
And it also breaks down the waste so that it won't harm the plant anymore. This vacuole only keeps what the cell might need.
Let's replace it. Do you feel better now?
I do, but I'm still a little thirsty. Do you think you can give me some water?
Oh yeah.
You know, I am feeling a lot better. Thanks, guys.
The reason why you were wilting is because you did not have enough water for the vacuole. When the vacuole doesn't have enough water, the cell shrinks, therefore you wilt. But when you do have enough water, the cell expands, which allows you to stand upright.
And the vacuole also stores food other than water.
Wow, you guys are so smart. You should definitely get extra credit for Dr. Bourgeois.
Yeah!
Yeah.